Hi, this is Manish Pandey. Welcome back. In this video, you will learn how to run Python code in Visual Studio Code. So this is the Visual Studio Code. Let me first close this. And to set up Python to run the code in the Visual Studio, you need to first download and install Python here. So let's search for Python, this.org, and then click on download, and then you'll see here download Python 3.11.5. This is the latest version for Windows. Let's click on this to download, and download has been started. Now it has been downloaded here. Just click on open folder and then double click on this to install this Python. Check this checkbox, add python.exe to path. Click on install now. Now this has been successfully installed. Click close. Double click on this Visual Studio Code. Click on this no folder. Click on open folder, and then on the desktop let me create one new folder that is for the Python code. Okay, let's select this folder, and inside this Python code folder I'm going to create a new. Okay, you can see here, do you trust the authors of the files in the folder? Yes, I trust this. So you can click on this, I trust this folder. Okay, now in this folder Python code, let's click on this new file, enter the name Python first code.py. So .py, once you'll write here, you will see the icon that shows that this is the Python code. Click here. And now once you'll create a new file with the Python, you will see one recommendation of Python extension that you need to install. So click on install. This installation has been started. This is the Python extension for Visual Studio Code. With the help of this extension, we'll able to run Python code. Let's wait for some time. Okay, now you can see this has been installed. Now go to this Python first code.py and then write any small code. So let's say we are going to write print hello world. Right, now we need to run this one. So we have this option, run Python file in the dedicated terminal and debug Python file. So let's click on run Python file, and once you run this, you'll see the output in the terminal that shows the output hello world. So now Python code is running fine in the Visual Studio Code. Thank you.